He's all leaning into it.
Here.
Oh gosh.
I'll eat that. Okay, as long
I
as
think she likes the tortilla chips better.
She looks.
There's pears mixed in, so that's a little tartness.
Oh, that's probably what she's hitting when she makes the sugary thing.
Pooping? Just squeeze one out?
Kelly.
Because I'm waiting. Kid's gonna give me something.
She's not waiting all the food on the towel.
I know.
Kelly.
I clean up after the baby. That's what I'm good for. My job. Yeah, goober.